3
Hello,
reasons to
everybody.
shrink
How are you
fibroids
doing?
without surgery.
My name is Dr. Kunle. I'm a naturopathic expert. I help people with the use of herbal medicine. Today, I'm still talking about the same thing. I realized that 40% of out of the messages that I get on fibroid treatment are for people that have done surgery before and the fibroid has regrown. When we tell people that fibroids treatment through surgery is a temporal solution, people feel like maybe because we just want to sell herbal product, that's why we are saying so. But I think a lot of people are now saying that it is true that surgery is never the permanent solution for fibroid treatment, is only a temporal solution. Now, let me tell you reasons why the fibroid that we have been treating has not gone for so long. Number one, some people take a lot of products that are concentrating majorly on fibroid shrinking, not concentrating on the cause of fibroid growth. Major cause of fibroid growth is excess estrogen, nothing more. Once your estrogen and progesterone are imbalanced, there's tendency for fibroid to grow, especially when inflammation happens on the wall of the uterus, within the uterus, or outside, or on the wall of the uterus or outside the uterus. Some fibroid grow outside the uterus. Now, when the hormone is imbalanced, that means the progesterone, estrogen, and prolactin levels, and there is an inflammation, fibroid will grow. Now, when you are trying to shrink fibroid without dealing with the root cause of the fibroid, which is the excess estrogen, fibroid shrinking process will not be successful. Now, where does the estrogen store? It stores in the liver. Some of you that have big fibroids, you will observe that whenever your menses is about to come, your tummy will become stronger and bigger. Why? Is because when your period is about to come, your body secretes estrogen, because estrogen is what makes the period to come. Now, the excess one that is already stored in your liver adds to it, and it makes the fibroid become stronger. So when you are shrinking fibroid, you have to address the root of estrogen detoxification from the liver if you don't want the fibroid to grow again. The reason why fibroid is always regrowing for people that have done surgery is because the excess estrogen in the liver that was not detoxified, it circulates into the blood again and gets to the uterus, and it makes the fibroid to regrow. Now, I don't know any product that you might have used in the past that you have not really gotten result, or even if it's me, that maybe you did a treatment with and you didn't get the maximum result. Maybe you did not follow the process. Number one, when you are treating fibroids, there are diet rules you must follow. I know it's not easy, but you have to follow these diet rules for you to get results. You can't be treating fibroid now, you are still drinking coke, you are still drinking minerals. You can't be treating fibroid now and you are still eating red meat. You are still eating chicken. You are still eating a lot of sugary things. You are still eating a lot of junks. You are still eating a lot of bread. The fibroid will not go, because it's like you are fighting the fibroid and you are still feeding it. When you want to fight fibroid, you must starve the fibroid. You must stay away from estrogenic foods. You must stay away from foods that make your body to induce estrogen in excess. Now, when you are shrinking fibroid, also, you must detoxify the body by getting rid of toxins from your system. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. Now, let me tell you the three things that must happen in the body and the three things that must be in any product that you are taking to shrink fibroid 100%. Number one, the medicine that you must be taking must be containing estrogen detoxification herbs. That means the herbs that will detoxify the estrogen from the liver must be in the product. Number two, the product must have herbs that are balancing the hormones. The hormones has to be balanced: the estrogen, the prolactin, and the progesterone. Then the ones on the ovary, that means the follicle stimulating and the luteinizing hormones, must be balanced as well. Then, when it comes to the shrinking of fibroid, the herbs must be anti-tumor. Fibroid is a benign tumor, is not cancerous. The herbs must be anti-tumor. Now, if a product is not having these three tiers groups of herbs, the product will not give you maximum result. Now, if you see anybody trying to treat you of fibroid and is telling you you can eat anything, the person is deceiving you. You can't eat anything when you are shrinking fibroid. Now, if your fibroid is already stony and strong, it's because the fibroid is already calcified. Now, the reason is because when fibroid outgrows blood supply, it becomes to draw calcium from your system, and it becomes calcified fibroid. Now, whenever you want to treat a fibroid like that, we must use a product that is called enabate powder for you. Whenever I'm treating you for a fibroid that is bigger than 5 centimeter or the fibroids are multiple, I always use Enavate powder for my what we call it, for my patient. Whenever you see me talking in any video and saying even if your tummy is as big as 9-month-old pregnancy, that we have a product that will make it soft, it's Enavate powder that I'm talking about. Now, whenever you are doing any treatment, you must follow diet rules. You must follow diet rules. There are things you need to stay away from when you are on treatment. Now, when it comes to shrinking the fibroids, if your fibroid is more than 3 or 4 or 5 centimeter, you can't shrink within 1 month. Don't let anybody deceive you. Fine, you might have seen some testimony on some adverts, but have you ever asked yourself, what is the size of that fibroid that they're advertising? Is it 3 centimeter? Is it 5 centimeter? You see some adverts of like 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, they use it to cajole you. But have they shrunk large fibroids? Fibroids of like 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Then if anybody tells you any fibroid will go within 1 month, it's lying. Are you getting what I'm saying now? When fibroids are multiple and they are big, put your mind for 3 months treatment minimally. Now, you can't say that the fibroid that had been growing in your body for years, you just want to get rid of it within 1 month. If I'm treating you and I tell you the fibroid will take 1 month, maybe the fibroid that is less than 4 centimeter, we have a product that can get rid of it. That one is assured. But any fibroid that is multiple, that is bigger than 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter, put your mind for 2, 3, or 4 months, depending on how big they are. Hope you understand. Me, I tell people things, they might not want to listen, but I tell you the straight truth because truth will always stand. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. And for those that are always asking for testimony, chat me on WhatsApp. I will just copy it. There are too many. You will read them one after the other. The before and after. That means the scan they did before the treatment, the scan after the treatment. You will see it there. We cannot lie. We can't deceive you. You can't keep deceiving people for years. I've been doing this thing for the past 7 years now. Those of you that have been watching video, you would have seen me online for a very long. You can't be deceiving people continuously. But the issue a lot of people have is that they don't wait. Whenever you want to treat fibroid naturally, you have to be patient. So now the product that we have that helps to shrink fibroids, we have different types of product that we have that helps to people to shrink fibroid. Number one, we have the ADF Fibrocare capsule. This is the ADF Fibrocare capsule. It has 90 capsules inside. Whenever you are taking it, you'll be taking it 3 capsules in the morning, 3 capsules in the afternoon, and 3 capsules at night. For those that are having multiple fibroids, I always tell them to go first on the 40-day treatment. That means they will take 4 bottles. Now, we have also the Enavate powder. The Enavate powder is the powder that helps to soften any tummy that is already strong like stone. This Enavate powder is what we use to soften it, to make the fibroid to be able to shrink easily. And also, we have a product that we call Abudex insertion pills. That means if you want to deliver your fibroid, that you want to see it physically, that is the product that we use. It's an insertion pill that helps to treat fibroid that are very big and strong. Hope you understand. It's an insertion. You will deliver it, the 14-day therapy. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I will send you pictures of people pictures of fibroids that people have delivered. You will see it live. Then also for people that prefer the powdered fibroid shrinker, we have it also. It helps to soften and shrink fibroid. So if you are having any fibroid, like I always said, the first thing you need to send to me when you are chatting me on WhatsApp is your scan results. And don't forget, for people that are having adenomyosis, you are not left out. We have a product that helps to treat your adenomyosis successfully. For people who are having endometriosis, we have product that will help to treat your endometriosis successfully. For people that are having blocked fallopian tube, chat me also on WhatsApp. For people that are having hormonal imbalance, chat me on WhatsApp. For people that are having ovarian issues, that means you are not ovulating well, chat me on WhatsApp. For people that are having blocked menses, that means your menses is not flowing again, chat me on WhatsApp. For people that are having PID, chat me on WhatsApp with your result. And if you are in Lagos, our office still remains Suite 22 Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road, Agege in Lagos. I love you all. I still remain your one and only Kunle Fowowe. Thank you very much.